So this is another open for sale here in Azure North, located in Monaco naman at 18th floor, Unit 31. So you will be greeted again with your kitchen area. Pwede kang magluto dito. So it's also fully furnished na, and yan, lahat kompleto na yung mga gamit, such as yung oven niya, tapos yung may extended cabinet pa siya, and mini-fridge dito. And then meron din siyang, ang cute ng takoreo. Ayan, may takoreo pa siya. And ayan. So, pwede kang magluto dito, of course, with your kitchen area. So, right beside your kitchen area, you have mini bar dito, no? Na pwede nyo ding maging table. So, pwede ka ding kumain dito. And meron din siyang full glass mirror, no? Dito.
So, dito naman yung bedroom area. In the bedroom area, meron ka ng queen-size bed. Meron na rin mini sofa. And there's a 40-inch TV na as well. So, ready na for Netflix and chill.
So, this one is your toilet and bathroom, of course. And then, if you've noticed, in-improve na nila na may cabinet na dito for storage sa mga cleaning materials nyo. And, of course, you have your mirror na. And yung sa, shower, meron na siyang curtain enclosure lang siya. Yan. So, as you can see, we're here in the balcony area, and trivia, every units here in Azure North comes with a balcony. And what I love about here dito sa balcony is meron na siyang wooden design, upgraded na yung sa flooring niya. Ayan.
And pang-outdoor siya naman siya, no?
Yes.
And ang maganda dito sa unit na to, sir, is amenity view. So, overlooking siya ng man-made beach. And banda doon, no, yung downtown San Fernando.
And this one is a sunset din, di ba?
Yes.
Sunset view. So, afternoon, you could have the view of the sunset. Yun. And of course, pwede ka din mag-coffee dito, di ba?
Yeah.
Cheers!
Yeah.